Today I'm going to make another crochet bookmark. You will need 2 yarn colors, scissors and a hook. I used acrylic yarn and 4.5 hook. Start by making your knot. Now, we're gonna start building the top of the head. Now chain 6. Now slip stitch into the first stitch. Do this till you reach the bottom. Now start slip stitch on the other end around. This is building the head, so keep doing this until you feel ready for arms. It should start to curve a little bit. You can flip it inside out if you want. Chain 6. Slip stitch in the first stitch, then chain 2. Then slip stitch in the big hole. Then continue to slip stitch all the way down. Secure your arm with a slip stitch. Then slip stitch around until for feel even to create your other arm. Do the arm the same as the last. Continue to slip stitch around to create your body. Stop when you're ready for legs. The legs are the exact same as the arms, except instead of chaining 6, chain 8. Slip stitch, and then create your second leg the same way. Now pull your thread a little to keep its place. Then thread your needle and start your eyes. Build your eyes. Go back to your original thread and cut some excess. Go back and forth with your thread to close it up. Add stuffing before it's finished if you want some volume to it. Then finish closing her up. At the end, create a new knot and chain 40. Chain more for a longer book. Now create your bottom piece. I'm going to chain 5. Then slip stitch at 5 stitches down. Then slip stitch 6 into the hole. Then I'm going to switch colors. Here's my finished project, my collection.